Happy Monday, everybody. How was your weekend? We got some videos up. We did a demonstration on how to wire 3 dual voice coil 2 ohm subwoofers to your amplifier, creating either a 1.33 ohm load in parallel or 3 ohm load in series. Make sure to check that out if you're new to wiring subwoofers and amplifiers and need to learn how to do it. We also went over a double-din stereo from JVC, the KWV140BT. It's not an Exelon, it's not a Next, it's not gonna blow your hair back, but it gets the job done. And it's a massive improvement from the stereo in your 1998 Dodge Stratus. All right, coming up this week. Alright, this is my first ever audition tape for radio reviews. The JVC KD... Dude, what are you doing? What's it look like I'm doing? I'm submitting an audition for doing a radio review. Why are you doing that? I do the reviews. Yeah, and you suck at it. Whoa. I don't suck at it. Yes, you do. No, I don't. You do. No, I don't think I do. Yes, you do. Oh, what? So you think you can do a better job than me? I think a golden retriever with a brain tumor could do a better job than you. So yes, absolutely. You know what? Do your audition, BJ. You know why? I want you to see how bad it comes out. Cool. Thanks for signing my permission slip, Dad. Great. Fantastic. Go f yourself. The JVC KD-R97MBS is an alright single-din receiver with variable color illumination, so you can do all pretty colors and It does in fact have a disc slot, so those of you still rocking a 60-page book of Ludacris and Korn CDs will still be able to keep the illusion of your youth and past alive. Built-in Bluetooth provides hands-free calling so you can get in arguments with your girlfriend on the highway. Plus stream all of your shitty music from your library and music apps like Spotify and Pandora. You can even connect 2 phones at the same time. Oh wow, that's amazing. This radio is solid, you know, it's good, gets the job done like Dunkin' D's when you're constipated. And you can even take it to the harbor and put it on your boat thanks to its anti-rust coating for marine applications, or if you're a and just spill coffee all over your stereo like I do all the time. The front USB port provides high current 1.5 amps charging to your smartphone. You can also use your USB to charge your vape, bro, as well as the ability to stream music and get app control with your iPhone over apps like Pandora, iTunes Radio and iHeartRadio, and Tinder. What, no Tinder? And app control works via Bluetooth with Android devices. There's also a 3.5mm auxiliary input below the USB port. It's perfect for holding your SIGs. The source button lets you switch between audio sources like FM and AM, you old bastards, Bluetooth, Pandora, and aux. Besides charging your vape pen, the USB also plays back audio files like MP3, WMA, AAC, WAV, and FLAC audio files. The KD-R97MBS has surprisingly pretty awesome audio customization options. To access radio settings, hold down the menu button. To start, you can set the 13-band EQ by choosing a preset, or creating your own using Easy EQ and Pro EQ. What do you need all those goddamn bands for? For effects, you can add bass boost to blow girls' clothes off, or loudness to drown your girlfriend's voice. You can adjust the subwoofer levels, fader, balance, volume adjustments, and amplifier gain. You want to see some games? You got tickets? Tickets to this gun show? Space enhancement is virtual sound technology using 2 speakers. Just select the vehicle size, so probably a 1992 Honda Accord, or if you have a second car like a secret white van that nobody knows about. You can also select the specific size of the tweeters, speakers, and subs in use and make individual adjustments to their gains and frequencies. And the head unit automatically adjusts the sound effectively. Let's not leave out the crossover settings either, like my father did with his will, with control over the high pass and low pass filters. The KD-R97MBS also features K2 technology. Was that what they call ecstasy now? The faceplate is fully detachable, so you can help thwart criminals like me that plot to break into your car. The radio is steering wheel control ready with the ASWC1 universal interface and Sirius XM ready with the SXV 300V1 tuner. Links in the video bio for those pieces of shit. Expand the radio with the optional IPX7 waterproof wire remote control, just in case you spill your 40 in the back seat. Just kidding, don't drink and drive, kids. The connections in the back include a radio antenna, which can also charge your vape pen, 3 sets of 4-volt RCA preamp outputs for front rear and subwoofer and charging your vape pens, wiring harness for power ground and speaker and for charging your vape pen extra, Sirius XM for satellite radio about vape pens, and Bluetooth microphone to wirelessly connect to your vape pen. And the radio comes with some other no vape pen included. Alright, that's it everybody. How'd you like my first radio review? I thought I did pretty well. Hopefully I get the job. Make sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your cardio and video Obviously, click the like button because you love this video. If you hated it, then I hate you. Join the conversation below and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Say hello to your mother for me.